Good day, everyone. My name is Dr. Adam Beatty, and I'd like to thank you for stopping by on our channel at IT Leads LLC. As always, the whole Fandango that I think you have to give when you have a channel is be sure to click like, subscribe, and tell your peers about our content. Yes, I am looking at notes as I read that to you. I am new to the content of YouTube. I'm trying to present my material and get it out to the public as best as I can. A lot of the information that I'm going to be providing via these videos is based on the expertise that I have. So a lot of the videos will be based on as far as cybersecurity, information technology, leadership, and education, primarily technology and education. So I'm an author, I'm a professor, and I guess I'm a YouTuber now? I don't know. But nevertheless, I'm posting content for past, current, and future students and clients. A lot of my students and clients I've worked with in the past have really praised me for how I'm able to deliver information in a very simple fashion. So I'm looking to go ahead and use YouTube as a platform, not for clickbait, it's not that, but to give you a brief overview of certain topics to get you started, or if you've been a student or client of mine in the past and you need a refresher. Because again, I'm the first one to tell you, we have so much content that's delivered to us on a day-to-day basis. It's almost impossible to keep everything just right in the back of that, the hippocampus, right? I'm more of a frontal lobe type thinker. More about that when I talk about learning and whatnot. So starting in June, I am going to be able to accept clients individually via Zoom, and you can go to my site at itleadsllc.com. I'll give you more about that content below, right? I think that's how it goes now. See, I'm learning. But nevertheless, if you have any questions, comments, or just any type of, any words of wisdom, please leave a message below, and I look forward to working with you. Again, I'm Dr. Adam Beatty, and thanks for stopping by.